Welcome back to the channel. Today we're inside a modern Gac Oil Factory where bright red Gac fruit is transformed into nutrient.
Deep in tropical farmlands, a rare fruit grows among climbing vines.
Each Gac fruit develops slowly on climbing vines. Its vibrant color signals the presence of valuable natural compounds.
Harvesting begins when the fruit reaches peak maturity. Careful handling protects the nutrient-rich pulp inside.
The thick outer shell protects the bright interior. Inside lies the source of the oil's distinctive color and nutrients.
After harvest, the fruit is quickly gathered and prepared for transport. Freshness plays a crucial role in the quality of the oil.
Each batch is weighed and recorded. This ensures traceability from farm to factory.
The harvested fruit is loaded for its journey. The next stage takes place inside a specialized processing facility.
At the factory, raw fruit begins its transformation. This facility is designed specifically for delicate fruit oil extraction.
The fruit arrives in its raw form. Soon, it will enter a carefully designed processing line.
The unloading area marks the transition from agriculture to industry. Every step ahead must be carefully controlled.
The fruit arrives in its raw form. Soon, it will enter a carefully designed processing line.
Large volumes of fruit arrive every day. Each batch must be inspected before processing begins. Inside the shell lies the bright pulp that contains the oil. Its color reflects high concentrations of natural carotenoids. Sorting ensures only the best fruit enters production. Quality begins long before extraction. Once sorted, the fruit moves deeper into the processing line. The transformation process is about to begin.
Before extraction, the fruit must be thoroughly cleaned. Preparation is essential for safe oil production.
The machines come to life. This marks the beginning of the industrial process.
The freshly harvested fruit enters the processing line. But before extraction can begin, the cleaning stage must come first. From farm to factory floor, the journey has only just begun. Next comes the crucial stage of cleaning and preparation.
The first stage inside the factory is thorough washing. Dirt, dust, and field debris must be completely removed.
Rotating brushes clean every surface of the fruit. Even the smallest particles are washed away.
The washing system operates continuously. Each fruit passes through several stages of cleaning.
High-pressure rinsing removes the final traces of dirt. Clean fruit is essential before the next step begins.
Used wash water is filtered and redirected. This keeps the cleaning process efficient and hygienic.
After washing, the fruit must be dried. Excess moisture can interfere with later processing.
Industrial air dryers remove remating water. The fruit continues forward in controlled conditions.
Environmental control helps maintain consistent quality. Temperature and airflow are carefully managed.
The cleaned fruit now enters mechanical sorting. Uniform size improves the efficiency of later processing.
Once sorted, the fruit is collected in sanitized containers. The preparation stage is nearly complete.
The fruit now moves to the next area of the plant. Here, the interior pulp will finally be exposed.
Specialized equipment prepares the fruit for opening. This step reveals the nutrient-rich interior.
The fruit is carefully positioned on the cutting line. Precision ensures the pulp remains intact.
The tough outer shell is opened. Inside, the vivid pulp begins to appear. With the shell removed, the valuable pulp is accessible. The next stage will focus on extracting it. The preparation phase is complete. Ahead lies the core machinery, where the oil extraction truly begins. Inside the central processing hall, the heart of production begins. Here, the pulp of the Gac fruit is specialized machines separate the pulp from the fruit shell.
Only the oil-rich interior continues forward.
Rotating paddles guide the pulp through filtering screens. This begins the process of concentrating the valuable material. Several separators operate in parallel. This allows the factory to process large volumes of fruit every day. The tough outer shells are removed from the process. The remaining pulp contains the oils needed for extraction.
The pulp travels through enclosed conveyors. Controlled movement prevents contamination and maintains consistency.
Inside the mixing tank, the pulp is blended evenly. Uniform texture improves the efficiency of oil extraction.
Mechanical paddles break down the pulp further. This helps release the oil trapped inside the fruit tissues.
Temperature and mixing speed are carefully controlled. Precise conditions protect the oil's natural nutrients. After mixing, the pulp moves to the heating stage. Gentle heat prepares the mixture for oil release.
Controlled heating softens the pulp structure. This allows the oil to separate more easily. Continuous stirring prevents overheating. Even heat distribution protects the oil quality.
Large processing plants operate many vessels at once. This keeps the production line moving without interruption.
Every stage is closely monitored. Even small changes can affect the final oil. Once heated, the pulp is ready for pressing. This step will begin separating the oil from the mixture. Under pressure, the oil begins to flow. The vivid color reflects the richness of the fruit.
The first raw oil appears, but it still contains particles that must be refined.
Extraction marks only the beginning of refinement. The oil now moves forward for purification and precision processing.
After extraction, the oil still contains fine fruit particles. Filtration begins the process of purification. The oil passes through several filtration layers. Each stage removes smaller impurities.
Rotating plates help separate solid residue. Clean oil continues forward through the system.
Large production lines rely on multiple filtration units. This ensures consistent purification at scale.
Flow rate and pressure must remain stable. Technicians continuously fine-tune the system.
The color of Gac oil is naturally intense. It reflects the fruit's high carotenoid content.
Centrifuge systems provide additional purification. High-speed rotation separates remaining solids from the oil. Centrifugal force pushes heavier particles outward. Only the purified oil continues through the pipeline.
The clarified oil moves into controlled storage tanks. Temperature stability preserves its natural properties.
Temperature monitoring protects the oil's delicate nutrients. Even small variations are carefully controlled.
Controlled warmth keeps the oil flowing smoothly. This ensures efficient movement through the system.
Purified oil reveals its natural clarity. This stage confirms successful filtration.
Laboratory testing verifies the oil's purity. Quality must be confirmed before final preparation.
Once verified, the oil continues forward. Final adjustments prepare it for bottling.
Microfiltration provides the final purification stage. Only the cleanest oil moves beyond this point.
The oil is now fully refined. Its purity is ready for the final stages of production.
Refinement is complete. The next phase will focus on inspection, testing, and preparation for packaging.
Before bottling begins, the oil must pass strict quality control checks. Every batch is examined to ensure purity and consistency.
Samples are taken directly from the production line. This ensures the analysis reflects the current batch. The color reveals much about the oil's composition. Rich pigments indicate high natural nutrient levels.
Specialized instruments measure nutrient concentration. This confirms the oil meets production standards.
The machine identifies key compounds within the oil. These measurements verify its nutritional profile.
Microscopic analysis detects any remaining impurities. The oil must appear clean at every scale.
Uniform droplets indicate proper processing. Irregularities could signal contamination. Each measurement is carefully documented. Detailed records ensure traceability for every batch.
Quality testing occurs continuously throughout production. Several batches are checked at the same time.
Viscosity testing measures the oil's thickness. Proper flow characteristics are essential for bottling. Density and flow behavior are also examined. These properties influence packaging and storage.
Clarity tests reveal hidden particles. Only transparent oil passes inspection.
Once approved, the oil is transferred to holding tanks. These tanks prepare the product for packaging.
Sensors continuously monitor the storage environment. Stability protects the oil's natural qualities.
With quality confirmed, the oil moves toward packaging. The final transformation is about to begin. The bottling area prepares thousands of containers. Each bottle will soon receive purified Gac oil.
Even the containers must be cleaned before use. Sterility prevents contamination.
The packaging line is now ready for operation. The final step of the process is about to begin.
Months of cultivation and hours of processing lead to this moment. The refined oil is finally ready to be packaged for the world.
After passing every quality test, the oil moves to the final stage. Automated systems now prepare it for packaging.
Precision alignment ensures accurate filling. Every bottle must receive the exact volume. The refined oil finally enters the bottles. Controlled filling protects both quality and consistency.
The oil's rich color is clearly visible. It reflects the nutrients preserved during processing.
Modern bottling lines operate with remarkable efficiency. Thousands of bottles can be filled every hour.
Once filled, each bottle is sealed. Tight caps protect the oil from air and contamination.
Consistent sealing ensures safe storage. Every bottle must be perfectly closed.
Human inspection remains an important safeguard. Workers verify the automated process.
Optical scanners examine every bottle. Any irregular container is automatically removed.
Bottles that fail inspection are separated instantly. Only approved products move forward.
Approved bottles continue to the labeling stage. Identification prepares the oil for distribution.
Labels are applied with precision. Clear identification supports product traceability. The finished bottles are grouped for shipping. Automated systems pack them into protective cartons.
Sealed cartons protect the product during transport. The oil is now ready to leave the factory. Cartons move toward the final staging area. Here they are organized for shipment.
Robotic palletizers arrange the boxes carefully. Stable stacks make transportation efficient.
Finished pallets are moved to the shipping zone. The oil is now prepared for distribution. The final product waits in storage. Soon, it will be transported to markets around the world. From tropical fruit to refined oil, the journey is complete. What began in the fields now reaches consumers as bottled Gac oil.